Hey kiddo, what are you doing? Are you eating some pulled pork? Is it good? Just gonna shovel it in. There you go, just keep shoveling it in there, kiddo. Those are some good smacking sounds, huh? Yeah. Is that good? You having a good lunch? Huh? Hi. Do I need to get you some more food? Huh? Oh, there's some down there in the bib. Oh, yeah. There you go. Oh, yeah, let's put it in your hair, too. Okay, should I get you some more pork? Should I get you some more pork? Oh, it's all over your head now. Okay, let me get you some more pork. Oh, are you going to eat that?
Yeah.
Yeah? No? You're just going to play with it?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Nice treat for Bean. Okay, let me get you some more pork.